There's no better time than now to launch or grow your on-demand manufacturing business in 3D printing, laser cutting, and CNC machining. Whether you have one or multiple machines, to succeed in the competitive on-demand manufacturing market, you need to have instant price estimations and design feedback, efficient management, and global operations. When you provide instant price estimates and design feedback, you create a hassle-free experience for customers, empowering them to visualize their projects and make well-informed decisions without delay. Users can scale 3D models, measure distances and angles, get price estimates for various materials, and explore material characteristics, all based on the information you provided. Efficient management. Efficiently managing orders, quotes, users, and communication results in a well-orchestrated workflow, reducing lead times and ensuring prompt responses to customer inquiries, thereby boosting overall satisfaction. Set up your pricing tool for 24/7 price estimation, communicate instantly with customers, showcase available machines and materials, and receive orders through your storefront profile. Global operations for wider reach and better opportunities. Take orders from users worldwide and get instant payments in 140+ currencies. Expanding your presence globally not only widens your market reach, but also allows you to adapt to diverse demands and explore novel prospects, driving your on-demand manufacturing venture to new heights of success and innovation. SeekMake.com's solution has it all and more. The game changer for your 3D printing, laser cutting, and CNC machining business. Join hundreds of small businesses and industry leaders who trust SeekMake for business growth and management. It's your turn now. SeekMake, innovating the future today.